Sorry, so I'm still walking around, exploring, seeing what I can see, and I came across this statue. I wanted to, show you guys. Directly, let's say right about there, is the National Museum. I'm gonna go over there later, but I just wanted to point that out to you guys, just in case I don't make it back to vlog it. So you can see, like, everything is like literally near water. So a lot of people use the water tax. I don't say water taxis, but boats and stuff like that to get around to each island if they don't want to walk. Like I said, I'm just walking so I can see the city. So I can show you guys that. They call it the Venice of the North, or Venice of something. I had to look that up, but I know it's the Venice of something, so make sure I have a pop-up on that. All right, so let's keep walking. Okay, so I just walked up the hill. If you remember, I was at that statue that I pointed out, and I said across the water was the National Museum. But so there was another statue up a little slight hill, and then right here is some type of like obelisk type of statue, and then right behind me there's a church. So I make sure I have all pop-ups and stuff like that. But literally, I walked in a big circle because that's the Royal Palace again. So did not know. But there's plenty of museums like that. So for me, I feel like if you're into museums, Stockholm is the place to be for you, because there's museums all over the place. The main museum that I want to go, which I believe have a Viking ship, is Vessa or something like that. Had to look at it again, but that's literally, I think 35 minutes from here or something like that, walking wise. So make sure you have your good, your good steppers on. And there's another museum over here somewhere. Not sure, but I think it's right over here. So tell me what you guys think about so far in the video. Get them juices flowing, your thoughts. Is this a place that you guys will want to visit in the future? I hope so. I think, like I said, this city is very similar to Oslo to me. It has a very Oslo feel. And that's no disrespect to Stockholm, because I guess it could be vice versa, right? All right, this is so right here is another museum. So like I said, there's museums all over the place. So I'm gonna keep going to the little Vessa Museum. So after that 35-minute walk, just got to the Vessa Museum, something like that. So directly on this side, like this little island has a bunch of stuff to look at. I mean, it's a ton of stuff. I think that's some type of Nordic museum or something like that. You have that, and it's like I said, it's right next to the water, and there's other several places that you can visit. But I'm gonna go inside the museum a little later. But yeah, it's definitely dope. Let me know if you guys been to this park. If you have, let me know what you think about it. Okay, guys, so I just had to catch an Uber real quick because I wanted to catch the palace, and this is kind of where I want to end the walking tour for the day. So I caught an Uber over here. It's about 30-minute ride from the museum, because the museum is like literally on the other side of the city. But it was worth it. If you can walk over here, if you have the time. But it was like saying they close at 4 o'clock, and it's getting to be that time. And I wanted to make sure that I have enough time to kind of vlog it a little bit, if they allow me to. But as you can see, that's where the Queen lives. That's the palace. Right in front is a lake, and it's like a long stretch to get to the back. And I think that's where you buy your tickets for the actual tour of it. So let's get down there. All right, guys, so I had to cut the film short a little bit, the vlog, because they say that you can't bring gimbals in there. You're allowed to record and take pictures, but no gimbals. So that's a tip for you guys. So pretty much I had to just stop recording, but at least off this camera. And so I was able to take pictures and videos just using my cell phone and stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what it looks like inside, just make sure that you go to my Instagram. You should go to my Instagram anyway and follow your boy, all right? Because some content does not make to the vlog because I don't think it's vlog worthy, but you definitely should check out the Instagram, follow me on there. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment at the end of this video. So right now, I am making my way to the little garden in the back. So the garden is free, but the tour of the castle or the palace is 2 floors, 2 quick floors. It don't take long to get through. And it's about $13 US. So a bunch of like kid cadets here. Interesting. I have no idea what the hell they're doing. All right, so like I said, we got to walk to the back to get to the gardens. I kind of wish I knew it was free, because I think I would just skip the inside. But it was dope inside. So you let me know what you think when you go to my Instagram. Okay guys, so you see the little journey, the little trek to get to the gardens. It looked like a little maze, so it goes kind of far back. I'm not gonna walk that far back into it because it just looks, a lot of the stuff is sectioned off, so you can't even get that close. So, yeah, but it is a nice garden though. It's nice, open, large, especially if you're into walking. You definitely should take a peek at it. Like I said, it's free. It's not part of the tour of that. That is totally separate. But as you can see, the palace in the back where the queen lives, or used to live, or whatever the case may be. I have to do a little bit of research on that. The fountain is off, maybe because it's fall, not sure. But what do y'all think about the palace and the garden? I think it's pretty cool, pretty legit. It's definitely worth the visit, if nothing else. All right, guys, so I'm gonna sign out from here. This is Stockholm walking tour. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and always recommend, all right? I'll see you guys next Monday. Peace.